Famously milk. Here are the two most popular methods of pasteurization explained. Short-time pasteurization heats the milk to 161 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds and then rapidly cools it to 39 degrees. HTST milk has a shelf life of 16 to 21 days. But if you'd like milk that lasts longer, look for ultra-pasteurized or UP milk. That's where raw milk is heated to 280 degrees Fahrenheit for just 2 seconds and then is rapidly chilled down to 39 degrees. UP milk has a longer shelf life of 40 to 60 days. Both methods result in milk that's 99.9% free of bacteria.